In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reduce customer acquisition cost. Klaviyo, customer acquisition cost, or CAC, can rise quickly when your ads do not reach the right people, or when you cannot properly measure what is driving purchases. One of the most practical ways to improve this is to connect your ad platforms to Klaviyo. When Klaviyo has the right integration data, you can evaluate performance more accurately, optimize targeting, and make smarter decisions about where your budget goes. To get started, you will open Klaviyo and go to your settings area. Look for the section labeled Settings, then find Integrations. Inside Integrations, you will see an option for browsing integrations. Choose Browse All Integrations. This step matters because it is the gateway where you locate the specific connection you need, rather than trying to guess where it is hidden. Once you are in Browse All Integrations, take a moment to use the search bar. This makes it much faster to find the correct integration. Search for meta ads. If your business primarily uses Google for advertising, you would instead search for Google Ads. The key point here is that you want to connect the ad platform you are actually running, because that is what will feed data into Klaviyo for analysis and optimization. After you search, you should see an entry for meta ads or Google Ads appear in the results. Click the one that matches your platform. This is the moment where you are selecting the correct integration source. Choosing the right one ensures that impressions, clicks, and conversion information can align with your marketing and email and automation efforts inside Klaviyo. Next, once you are on the integration page, you will click Install. Installing is what initiates the connection process between Klaviyo and your ad platform. Keep an eye on the screen as you click Install, because it may take you through a verification or permission sequence that confirms the integration is allowed to access the necessary data. When you click Install, you are authorizing the setup to begin. Depending on your account and your platform, you might be prompted to review details or confirm that Klaviyo can connect to your advertising account. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions carefully and confirm access when appropriate. The goal is to allow the integration to pull the data needed for tracking and reporting. After the installation finishes, you can return to the integrations area to confirm the connection status. At this stage, the integration should show as connected or active. This confirmation step is important because it ensures the next actions, such as event tracking and campaign performance comparisons, can work as expected. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.